Indian universities, accepting SAT scores. When we hear the term SAT exam, the first thing that usually comes to our mind is the idea of pursuing education abroad. However, the SAT exam can also open doors to admission to Indian universities. Many Indian universities, both renowned and emerging, consider SAT scores as part of their admission criteria. It's a fantastic opportunity for students to showcase their academic abilities and stand out in the competitive admission process. We're here to guide the students through the exciting journey of exploring top Indian universities that accept SAT scores. 1. Ashoka University. It is located in Sonipat, Haryana, and is a renowned liberal arts institution in India. It places a strong emphasis on interdisciplinary learning, critical thinking, and holistic education. 2. Flame University. Flame University, located in Pune, Maharashtra, is known for its diverse academic offerings. It specializes in courses in business administration, communication, and liberal education. 3. Shiv Nadar University. Located in Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, Shiv Nadar University offers a broad spectrum of programs in engineering, humanities, and social sciences. The university places a strong emphasis on research and innovation, providing students with opportunities for academic growth and industry engagement. 4. OP Jindal Global University. OP Jindal Global University is located in Sonipat, Haryana. It has earned a reputation for its global perspective and commitment to social responsibility. They value SAT scores alongside other admission criteria and offer programs across diverse fields of study. 5. Jindal School of International Affairs, JSIA. JSIA is located in Sonipat, Haryana. JSIA is a part of OP Jindal Global University and is dedicated to international relations and diplomacy. SAT scores are an important part of their admission process, and they provide a unique platform for students interested in global affairs. 6. Kriya University. Located in Andhra Pradesh, Kriya University is known for promoting interdisciplinary education. The university offers programs in arts and sciences, encouraging students to explore diverse subjects and develop a broader perspective on their academic pursuits. 7. Azim Premji University. Situated in Bangalore, Azim Premji University is dedicated to addressing pressing social and development issues in India. It offers undergraduate and postgraduate programs in education, development, and public policy. 8. Jagdish Sheth School of Management. Jagdish Sheth School of Management is located in Bengaluru, Karnataka. This school, named after the globally acclaimed marketing expert Dr. Jagdish Sheth, offers management education and is renowned for its cutting-edge business programs and research. 9. Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies. Situated in Faridabad, Haryana, Manav Rachna International Institute provides a wide range of undergraduate and postgraduate programs in engineering, management, and other fields. It is known for its focus on practical learning and industry exposure. 10. Plaksha University. Plaksha University, a relatively new institution in Chandigarh, focuses on technology and innovation. It aims to foster research and development in technology-related areas and prepare students for careers in cutting-edge fields. These universities, each with their unique characteristics, provide a wide array of academic and extracurricular opportunities. Make sure to research their specific programs, faculty, and campus culture to find the best fit for your educational aspirations. To know more colleges that accept SAT scores in India, check the blog link in the description.